Timon, Pumbaa, come here.
Good morning, Mon Capitan.
I want you to keep a close watch on Kiara. You know she's bound to run off.
Don't worry, Simba. We're on her like stink on a warthog.
Hey!
It's a hard truth, Pumbaa. Live with it.
Guys, I'm counting on you. Danger could be lurking behind every rock.
Aha.
Hey, wait! Come back! I just want to play. Mighty Hunter has cornered her prey. Whoa. Cool. The Outlands. I wonder what's out there.
Don't worry, Kiara! Uncle Pumbaa's coming!
Oh, no! Oh, let's see. Geez, Simba, the good news is we found your daughter. The bad news is we dropped a warthog on her. Is there a problem with that?
Kiara? Kiara?
Pumbaa, let me define babysitting.
Sorry. Now, Princess Kiara, as Simba's daughter, you know better than to go off all alone. You could have been hurt.
Hurt? Oh, Simba would kill us. You didn't slip a disc, did you? Catch a fever? Get a hangnail?
Timon.
I had one once.
Very painful.
Excruciating. Darling, with your complexion, you should stay out of the sun. What? Do you want a wrinkle?
Will somebody please just listen to me?
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening. Did you say something, Princess?
I'm not just a princess, you know. That's only half of who I am.
Oh, who's the other half?
Well,
Well, while you're figuring it out, let's eat. Grubs.
The other white meat.
And so high in protein.
Ew, gross.
No? How about you, big boy?
Love grubs.
Not like.
Love.
Oh, you always do that. You take a bite out of every one and then put it back. It drives me crazy.
But you can't tell from the outside which are the real slimy ones.
Slimy? Pumbaa, my corpulent compadre. It's the crunchy ones that make the meal.
Slimy.
Crunchy.
Slimy.
Crunchy.
Slimy.
Crunchy.
Slimy.
Crunchy.
Slimy.
Crunchy.
Slimy.
Crunchy.
Less filling.
Tastes good.
Less filling.
Tastes good.
Less filling.
Tastes good.
Less filling.
Tastes good.